Welcome to you guys. And recently, Apple announced iPhone 7, iPhone 7 Plus, and it is available from 7th October. And have the dramatical changes improves in the iPhone 7 series. So we have the impressive features added into the iOS 10 with the in iPhone 7, and we have the more introduce the advanced new cameras and splash water and water resistance, dust resistance, and brightest and most powerful colorful iPhone display, and introduce them and have the better performance and battery life and immense stereo speakers also. Now we are going to start with the design. uh, Generally, iPhone is available in different colors like rose gold, black, jet black, silver, and the jet black is quite impressive than other ones. So you see the jet black is like a glass proof. It's very impressive to see the jet black. And it is introduce the new home button, and also having the 3D touch with the home button, and having the splash and water resistance, dust and water resistance, and under the 1 meter of water, up to 30 minutes you can bear it will bear inside the water. And has a new camera, has introduced a new camera in the iPhone 7, iPhone 7 Plus. So it is quite impressive feature in iPhone 7 and iPhone 7 Plus. The thing is, the dual MP camera with optical image stabilization and FaceTime HD camera and quality LED flash. The quality LED with the true tone flash, we have to get better images with the low light also, and optical image stabilization. You can put the you can take the better images with the low light, and uh, in case you can better images, and having the front facing camera of 7 megapixel and dual MP camera at the back side. And iPhone 7, iPhone 7 Plus having the two cameras that are shot in one, means having the two cameras. So two wide angle telephoto cameras, both are 12 megapixel, and one having the 26 mm of lens and one other having the 56 mm of lens. So you can have the optical zoom at the two times, and the digital zoom is up to 10 times. So, and that is a quite impressive feature in iPhone 7 and iPhone 7 Plus. And also having the display is the retina HD display is used in iPhone 7 and iPhone 7 Plus. And it is the brightest phone from ever, the last series of iPhone 6 Plus. And with the retina HD display, so you can get the more battery life, and having the 3D touch. In last series iPhone 6 having not having the 3D touch, iPhone 6 Plus having the 3D touch, but now introduce the fourth iPhone 7, iPhone 7 Plus having the 3D touch with the 25% and better than and previous phones, and white color gamut, and the many features with the display. And I introduced the new CPU called A10, the Fusion chip. And this is the most powerful and cheap and ever in the smartphone. And two times faster than the previous iPhones, and having the longest battery life in ever an iPhone with the Fusion chip. And also the audio, they introduced a new audio called stereo speakers. And this is the new stereo speaker system having the two two audio speakers. One is the bottom and one is at the top for the calling system, and having the two louder than iPhone 6, and it is the two times louder than iPhone 6 and 6s. And introduce the iPods near iPods earpods. So means introduce the new iPods wirelessly. You can connect with your iPhone with the proximity sensor. And also having it also the 5 hours of battery life. And you can have the inbuilt with an application, and you can adjust your value and double tap at your AirPod. You can get Siri is also activated, and it's very quite impressive and differently introduced this AirPods. And in having the Wi-Fi and mobile data using the ultra fast wireless with the best worldwide roaming. We have to get the ultra fast Wi-Fi for the speed downloads and answer WhatsApp call and third party calls, means it is very fast. so when comparing with the previous iPhones. And also they introduced iOS 10 in, so iOS 10 in iPhone 7 series. iOS 10 have the quite impressive features in iOS 10. They introduce the new features in maps. You can take the reservations and the 3D touch app, the Siri having the more improvements and change the notifications, and Apple Music, and this is the more applications in iStore. And also having, you can make the videos with your memories indirectly. You can search is very possible and multi-level language, and you can type the two languages at a time, and you can take the reservations with the Google Maps, and you can book the Ola cab or a Uber. So having the made features and introduce the AirPods. These AirPods are wireless, effortless, and magical. So without wire, so you can connect the AirPods with the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, and introduce the proximity sensor to connect with the iPhone, and having the battery life. So and the 5 hours of battery life, and this is the quite impressive feature in the new iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. Thank you guys, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos.